Hey guys, Matty G here. Welcome. I'm going to explain to you the elimination method again, but more of an intermediate type question, just a little bit harder compared to question 1. So please give me a like on Facebook or subscribe to my YouTube channel. Alright, so our question: solve the following simultaneous equations for x and y using the elimination method. So for equation 1, we have 2x plus 3y equals 18. And for equation 2, we have y minus x equals 1. So we want to know, what is our x, what is x, and what is our y? Okay, so we want to solve for x and y. So, step 1, what we're going to do is we're going to rearrange equation 1. So we've got equation 1 here. I've just highlighted in blue the 2x, and in the red, 3y. Okay, so we're just going to rearrange that. I'm going to put where the 2x is, I'm going to put that where the 3y is, and where the 3y is, I'm going to put that where the 2x is. I'll explain why I do that later. And we're allowed to rearrange these. On the left hand side, we can rearrange these two, okay? You can do that for any equation. So now I've got the 3y at the start, and now we've got plus 2x here. And this is a plus because here, we don't show anything here, but always, if there's no sign here, it's a plus. So we put a plus here. Alright? So I've just rearranged. Now it's 3y plus 2x equals 18. Alright, so now step 2, what I'm going to do is, alright, I'm going to multiply equation 2 by 3. Alright, so if I'm going to multiply, I want to multiply this equation by 3. So I've got to multiply every variable, alright, so these variable y and minus x and the number 1. I need to multiply everything by 3, okay? So I've got y times 3, x times 3, and 1 times 3. Alright, so what that's going to give me is we know that y times 3, or 3 times y, is 3y. X times 3, alright, gives us 3x, or I should say minus x times 3 will give us minus 3x, and 1 times 3 will give us 3. So now I've multiplied equation 2, okay, by 3, okay? Got to multiply everything by 3, the left hand side and the right hand side. Alright, so now I've got 3 equations. Alright, so I've got equation 1, equation 2, and equation 3. But equation 3 is a multiple of 2. I've multiplied equation 2 by 3. So now let's have a look at equation 1 and equation 3. I've got 3y plus 2x equals 18, and 3y minus 3x equals 3. So now if I subtract these two equations, right, if I do 3y minus 3y, what am I going to be left with? I'm going to be left with 0. So that's going away. Okay? So I'm not showing that here. Alright? Now we've got 2x minus 3x. So 2x minus, so I've just highlighted, okay, the red subtraction line here. Alright, so this one here is the same as this one here, and this minus here is this minus here. Alright, and 18 take away 3 gives us 15. Alright, so we're left with 2x minus 3x equals 15. So what do we do when we have a minus and a minus? We know it becomes a plus. So we have 2x plus 3x equals 15. Okay, so 2x plus 3x will be what? How many x's do we have? What's 2 plus 3? 5. So we have 5x equals 15. Now 5 times by x, so as from lesson 1, this is the same as saying 5 times x equals 15. So 5 times what gives me 15. So what do we need to do now? We need to get rid of this 5. And how do we do that? We divide by. Yeah? We're going to divide by what? We're going to divide by itself, by 5. Because 5 divided by 5 will give us 1. So they will cancel, and we'll just be left with the x. And then on the right hand side, 15 divided by 5 will give us what? 3. So x equals 3. So we've found one of the solutions. We know what x is. So what's our next step? We're going to have to find what is y. So from lesson 1, substitute the x equals 3 back into either equation 1, 2, or 3, okay, to find your y. It doesn't matter, right? It's your choice. All right, so I'm going to choose equation 2. All right, no reason why, just choosing. All right, so we have y minus x equals 1. So where the x equals 3 is, where x is 3, I'm going to put the 3 in there. So now we have y minus 3 equals 1. So we have one unknown. We have just the y now. We can find it. So we want to get rid of this minus 3. So how are we going to do that? So we're going to do the opposite of minus. So we're going to add 3 to that. And whatever we do to the left-hand side, we do to the right-hand side. So now we're left with minus 3 plus 3. So all this will be 0. So all this is gone. So we'll be left with y plus 0 equals 4. 1 plus 3 will give me 4 on the right-hand side. So we're left with just y equals 4. This 0 here will go away because it's nothing. So we know y equals 4. So our two solutions to this for the two equations are x equals 3 and y equals 4. We've done. Awesome, guys. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe on Facebook and YouTube, and I'll be making many more videos. Take care, guys. Bye.